Now filling cycle on. You can check water goes from to here, valve on and blower on. Here you can check actual set time 1 minute, so 60 seconds cycle running. After next cycle comes. Okay. Now second cycle on denitrification. In denitrification, valve to on and only blower. Here we set 1 minute, so 1 minute on. After it is off. Fitted lifting cycle, valve 3 on. You can check water goes from aeration tank to treated water tank. Now slush cycle, removal cycle on, so you can check aeration tank to water slush going in slush tank. You can check. Also I show one eco model cycle. In eco model cycle only valve to on and blower on as per set time.